Hey everyone, PJ here. So, Cyber Monday, right after Thanksgiving weekend, when everyone shops online. Deals everywhere. Your cart is full, your credit card is ready. But here's the thing, shopping online in English means navigating chat support, reading return policies, understanding promo codes, and sometimes arguing with a robot that doesn't understand your question. Today, you're meeting Kenji. He's trying to score Cyber Monday deals on his laptop, but his discount code isn't working. His order got canceled for no reason, and the chat support person keeps saying, "Please wait." He's going to type, click, refresh, and maybe throw his laptop across the room. This is real conversation. The kind you have when you're staring at a chat window, wondering if there's actually a human on the other side. Let's check it out.
Okay, wireless headphones. Regular price $150. Sale price $99. Plus I have a promo code for an extra 20% off. Cyber 20. Come on, work. What? Invalid? It says valid until midnight. Let me try again. Still invalid. Okay, time to chat with support.
Hello, I'm here to help. What can I assist you with today?
My promo code isn't working.
I can help with that. Can you please provide your order number?
I don't have an order number. I haven't placed the order yet because the promo code doesn't work.
I understand you're having trouble with an order. Let me connect you with a representative.
That's not what I said.
Please wait while I transfer you to a live agent. Current wait time, 12 minutes.
12 minutes. Are you kidding me?
What's wrong?
Cyber Monday. The promo code doesn't work, and now I have to wait 12 minutes to talk to someone.
That's annoying. What are you buying?
Headphones. They're on sale, but the extra discount code isn't applying.
Did you check if there are restrictions?
Restrictions?
Sometimes codes don't work on sale items, or you need a minimum purchase amount.
Oh, it says excludes electronics.
There you go.
But electronics are the whole point of Cyber Monday.
I know. Annoying, right?
Hi, I'm Rachel. How can I help you today?
Finally. Hi, Rachel. I'm trying to use promo code CYBER20, but it says invalid. Can you help?
I'd be happy to help. Let me check that code for you. One moment, please. I see the issue. That code excludes electronics, sale items, and gift cards.
So basically, it excludes everything people want to buy.
I understand your frustration. However, I can offer you free shipping on your order today.
The shipping is already free because it's over $50.
Oh, you're right. Let me see what else I can do.
She's probably not even there. Probably helping 5 people at once.
They always are.
Good news. I can give you a 10% discount code that will work on electronics.
That would be great. Thank you.
Here's your code. Electronics 10. It's valid for the next hour.
Just 1 hour?
Yes, it's a special code just for you. Is there anything else I can help with?
No, that's all. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great day and happy shopping.
Okay, let's try this. Yes, it worked. $90 instead of $99.
Nice. You saved $9.
I know it's not much, but it feels like a victory. Done. Order confirmed. Wait, what?
What happened?
I got an email saying my order was canceled.
Already? You just ordered it 2 seconds ago.
Payment could not be processed, but I know I have money in my account.
Maybe it's your credit card. Sometimes they block purchases that look suspicious.
Cyber Monday purchases look suspicious?
If you don't usually shop at that store, yeah, the bank thinks someone stole your card.
That's so annoying.
Call your bank. Or try a different card.
I have a text from my bank. Do you authorize a charge from Electronics Plus for $90?
There you go. Reply yes.
Yes. The code expired.
What?
Electronics 10. It was only valid for 1 hour. I just wasted 20 minutes dealing with my bank.
Contact support again.
Do I have to?
If you want the discount, yes.
Hello, I'm here to help. What can I assist you with today?
I need to speak to Rachel. I just talked to her 20 minutes ago.
I can help with that. Can you please provide your order number?
I don't have an order number. My order was canceled.
I understand you need to cancel an order. Let me connect you with a representative.
This robot is useless.
Just wait for the human.
Hi, I'm Marcus. I see you were chatting with my colleague Rachel earlier. How can I help?
Hi, Marcus. Rachel gave me a discount code, but my bank blocked the purchase. Now the code expired. Can you give me a new one?
Let me check your chat history. One moment, please. I see what happened. I'm sorry about that. Let me issue you a new code.
Thank you so much.
Here's your new code, Kenji10. It's valid for 24 hours.
24 hours. That's much better than 1 hour.
I made it longer so you don't have to rush. Also, I've noted your account, so if you have any other issues, just reference ticket number 748392.
Thank you. You've been so helpful.
You're very welcome. Is there anything else I can help with today?
Actually, yes. How long does shipping usually take?
For Cyber Monday orders, delivery is 5 to 7 business days. But if you need it sooner, we have expedited shipping for $15.
The regular shipping is fine. I'm not in a rush.
Perfect. Your order should arrive by next Friday at the latest.
Great. One more question. What's the return policy?
30 days for a full refund, as long as the item is unopened and in original packaging.
What if I open it and don't like it?
Then it's store credit only, not a refund.
Okay, good to know. Thank you.
My pleasure. Enjoy your new headphones.
Finally, everything's sorted out.
See? Persistence pays off.
That took 40 minutes of my life.
Welcome to Cyber Monday.
Are you shopping today?
I already did. This morning at 6 a.m. before the good stuff sold out.
6 in the morning? On your day off?
The early bird gets the worm. I got a new TV for 40% off.
40%. That's amazing.
I know. I've been waiting for a sale for months.
What else did you get?
Kitchen stuff. A new blender. Some pots and pans. All on sale.
Any problems with codes or payment?
Nope. It all went smoothly. I got lucky.
I should have shopped earlier, like you.
There's still time. What else are you looking for?
I need a new winter jacket. Mine has a hole in it.
Check that outdoor store. The one with the mountain logo.
Good idea.
They always have good Cyber Monday deals.
Oh, wow. Jackets are 50% off.
See? Worth checking.
This one looks good. Waterproof, insulated, good reviews.
What's the regular price?
$200. On sale for $100.
That's a great deal.
Should I get it?
Do you need a winter jacket?
Yes.
Is it a good price?
Yes.
Then get it.
You're right. I'm overthinking. Done.
Any promo codes for that store?
There's one for email subscribers. Welcome 15.
Are you subscribed?
No, but I can subscribe right now. Okay, subscribed. Let me check my email. Got it. Welcome 15 for 15% off.
Nice. That's an extra $15 off.
$85 for a $200 jacket. I'm happy with that.
You're becoming a pro at this.
I learned from the headphone disaster. Order confirmed. And no cancellation email this time.
Progress.
Okay, I think I'm done shopping for today.
How much did you spend total?
Let me check. $90 for headphones, $85 for the jacket, $175.
Not bad for Cyber Monday. Some people spend thousands.
I set a budget. $200 maximum.
Smart. It's easy to go crazy with all these deals.
I know. Everything looks like a good deal when it's 50% off.
Even if you don't need it.
Exactly. Okay, I'm officially done. No more browsing.
You sure? There's still 12 hours of Cyber Monday left.
Don't tempt me.
Okay. Want to get lunch? I'm starving.
Yes, let's get out of this apartment before I start shopping again.
Good idea. Leave the laptop here.
Deal.
All right, let's talk about this. Online shopping in English, especially during big sales like Cyber Monday, requires specific vocabulary and skills. Essential phrases for online shopping chat support. To start, "Hi, I'm having trouble with," or "My promo code isn't working." Be specific about the problem. To ask for help, "Can you help me with this?" Or "Is there anything you can do?" Polite but direct. To get clarification, "What's the return policy?" Or "How long does shipping take?" Important questions before buying. To express frustration politely, "I understand, but," or "This is frustrating." You can be honest without being rude. Important vocabulary: promo code, checkout, apply, order number, shipping, refund, store credit, cancel, expedited, restrictions, valid, expired. These words come up constantly in online shopping. Notice how Kenji communicated with the chat support agents? He was frustrated, yes, but he stayed polite. He thanked them when they helped. That's important because customer service representatives deal with angry people all day. Being kind makes them want to help you more. Also, notice the technical issues. His bank blocked the purchase. The promo code had restrictions. The code expired. These are all common problems during big sales. Don't panic. Just contact support and work through it. Here's something important. Marcus gave Kenji a ticket number. Always save those. If you need to contact support again, that number helps them find your previous conversation quickly. Andre gave good advice too. Check restrictions on promo codes. Subscribe to email lists for extra discounts. Shop early for the best selection. These are smart shopping strategies. Your homework: practice these online shopping phrases. "My discount code isn't working. Can you send me a new code?" "What's your return policy?" "How long will shipping take?" "I didn't receive a confirmation email." Keep them simple and direct. Chat support agents appreciate clarity. Cultural tip: in American online shopping culture, Cyber Monday is huge. It's the Monday after Thanksgiving, and almost every store has major sales. Black Friday is in-person shopping. Cyber Monday is online. Many people take the day off work just to shop. Also, chat support is now more common than phone support. You'll probably type your questions instead of calling. Be patient with wait times, especially during sales. And remember, that chatbot at the beginning, it's annoying, but just wait for the human agent. One more thing: set a budget before you start shopping. It's easy to overspend when everything is on sale. Kenji had a $200 limit. That's smart. Buy what you need, not just what's cheap. Thanks for joining me today. If this helped you with real-world English, don't forget to subscribe. Wishing you a great shopping week. See you soon.